Do you struggle with applying your press-on nails? Do they never last and always seem to pop off? Do your nails not look realistic? Well, I'm going to show you today, sis, how to go from this to this. Press-on nails the right way, okay? If you want to look like you came straight out of the nail salon, please keep on watching. Hey Glam Dolls! Welcome back to my channel. It's Taylor here. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my press-on nails. Press-on nails has become a huge part of my beauty regimen and just my self-care. This has been something that I've been doing ever since quarantine, and I haven't stopped using them. I still like to use press-on nails. I try to make my press-on nails look as real and authentic and natural as possible. I want my nails to look like real acrylic nails, okay? I don't play. So my nails usually last for about 2 weeks, and my friends always ask me, how do I keep my press-on nails on? So I'm making this video to help anybody who struggles with keeping their press-on nails on. I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so first I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite press-on nails that are in my collection. These are from a brand called Buxy. This is not sponsored, but this press-on nail set just has that swirly marble look that is super in right now. I love this style. Can't wait to try it. This style has the white tips, but with it slanted on the sides. This style is super duper popular in the salons as well. And lastly, I just wanted to show you guys the pink ombre set. This is like my favorite set. I used to get this on my nails all the time. So to have it in press-on nails, I was just super duper happy to see. This nail company is super good, and so is this one. It's by The Nailist Co. Jackie Aina uses these nails a lot as well. If I didn't say this already, this video is not sponsored, so this is just me giving you guys a little gem, okay? You can definitely find press-on nails that you guys like, okay? So stop playing with press-on nails because press-on nails are in, period. Okay, so now we're going to get into the nail choice of the day. We're going to be using Kiss's Classy nail set, okay? This is the classic French tip, but with it going up the sides. I thought this was a cute one to pick just to show you guys you can do this with any nail set, okay? It's straight from Walmart. So first, I like to start out with clean hands. I've washed my hands and I've made sure there's no dirt or debris on my fingers. I like my nails to be short, so I usually clip my nails down before I start my application. Next, I'm going to take a file. Do not come for my broken file. I know it's beat up, but I'm just going to file my nails down evenly so that when my nails are growing underneath the press-on nails, they are growing evenly. We want even nails, not cricket nails. So next, I am going to pick up the nail pack and I'm going to show you guys what's in it. So in the nail pack comes your nail glue, your pack of nails, and on the back it comes with a file and a cuticle pusher. So that's what we're going to be using. I usually like to have one in handy just in case there's not one in the pack, but there is, so we're in luck today. So starting with picking the nails, I like to eyeball my nails to see which one fits my nail. I always start with the pinky finger. With this whole process, we're going to be starting with the pinky finger. I just take the nail that I feel that is closest to my nail. I match to see if it fits my nail, and I place it to the side, and I am going to put them in order from pinky to thumb. So when finding a nail that matches my finger, if I'm in between which nail to choose, I always choose the one that is smallest, because you don't want your nails to look big and bulky on your fingers. You want them to look like they're growing out of your nail bed. Like, you want them to look like you just got your nails done. So take your time with this process and pick the nails that you feel fits your fingers best. Now a trick here. There are numbers on the back of these nails, so after you do one hand, you just have to match it with the other. Simple as that. So now we're moving on into the cuticle pusher. We are going to take the rounded side of the cuticle pusher and we are going to begin pushing our cuticles back. This part is vital with applying your press-on nails because Your cuticles being pushed back is what shows if your nails are fake or real. Like, that's how you can tell. When people just apply their press-on nails on top of their cuticles, it shows and you can tell that it's just press-on nails. But when you push your cuticles back, you allow space for your press-on nails to sit on your nail bed, and it makes it look smooth and like it's coming straight out of your finger. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my time and push my cuticles back all around my fingertips. Okay, you want to get all the sides, everything. Push those cuticles back. This part is super important. Take your time with it. Don't hurt yourself, but push those cuticles back, period. So as you guys can see, our cuticles are pushed back. I'm just going back in and I'm cleaning them up a little bit just to make sure they're really pushed back, because this part is important. But as you guys can see, that white part is where my cuticles used to be. So you can definitely see the difference. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy nail drill. Okay, I don't play about my press-on nails, y'all. As you guys can see, I got this drill from the Dollar Tree. Okay, didn't spend any money, didn't splurge. It was only $1. You can use that one, or you can use the file that comes in the box, or you can use a different file. It doesn't matter. But this is just to roughen your nails up and get them smooth, so that your nails have something to adhere to. As you guys know, when you go to the nail salon and they drill your nails down, it's like this powdery substance that is left on your nails, and that is used to help your nails stick better. So when I thought about it, I was wondering, why aren't my nails really sticking? And it's because I'm not giving them anything to stick to. I'm applying my nails to smooth, clean fingernails. So adding this nail drill was like a top game changer in my press-on nail game. So you want to get you a nail file, any type of nail file, doesn't have to be a nail drill, and just rough your nails up. And then I'm going to go in with the file that comes with it to show you guys you can use what comes in the package to smooth my nails out. But as you guys can see, I have that powdery stuff left on my nails. That's what you want, because that's what's going to make your nails stick. Okay, that looks beautiful. That's how you want your nails to look, period. Okay, so now we're going to take the nail glue that comes in the Kiss packaging, and we are going to apply our nails from pinky all the way to thumb. But we are going to apply the thumbs last. So we're going to apply our nails from the pinky to the pointer finger and apply our thumbs last. Okay, so I'm just going to add literally a drop of glue. This is another problem with applying press-on nails. People overdo the glue. Apply only a drop, and you're going to position your nail on your finger, make sure it fits, then apply your drop of glue. Then you're going to put your nail on. You're going to place it on, and you're going to press and hold. This is vital, because the longer you press and hold, the stronger your nail is adhered to your finger. So you want to press and hold for at least 30 seconds or more. Then you want to let it go. As you guys can see, my position was way off. That nail is super crooked, but it just goes to show nobody's perfect. So now we're going to do it again. Take a drop of glue, smooth it around, not adding more, but just smoothing it around on the finger, and applying the nail, making sure it's positioned properly. And with French tip nails, because it has a clear part at the bottom, you don't want air bubbles. So you don't want to keep pressing and lifting your finger. Keep your finger in the same place for at least 30 seconds, and then you can lift it up. But when you keep moving your finger to try to press, it gives air bubbles, and you do not want air bubbles in your nails, especially with French tip. That's like super important. So I like to just take my time, literally use the smallest amount of glue. I put a small dot of glue, I spread it on my finger, literally a tiny drop. Please don't apply a lot of glue. And you press it on and you hold. So drop of glue, smooth on, put it on, press and hold, period. So now I'm just going ahead and doing the same thing on the other hand. And as you guys can see, this is why you don't want to use a lot of glue, because your nail will get stuck to your finger and it's hard to come off and it kind of hurts a little bit. So just really take your time. This is why you want to make it non-messy and only apply a little bit of glue. So as you guys can see, I applied too much. Even with a little drop, I applied too much. So now I'm just going to go in with the cuticle pusher, but go in with the pointy side and clean the sides of my nail off. That's also why I like to work with a towel, because I can just wipe my nails off as I go if need be. So I'm just going to continue to apply the rest of my press-on nails. Now I'm going ahead and doing my thumbs once I'm finished with my pinky all the way to my pointer finger. So now we are going to go in with some cuticle oil. This oil is from the brand Luxie. It's just a regular cuticle oil. You can buy this anywhere, or you can use olive oil out of your kitchen. I'm just adding a drop of oil to kind of bring some moisture back to my nails after I've filed them and drilled them. You want to keep that moisturization in your nails and keep your nails healthy. So I'm just applying this to my nails and makes them look super cute as well. So you want to apply your cuticle oil, and that is it. Guys, look at my nails. They look like I came straight from a salon. Like, I don't think I will go back to regular nails. I love press-on nails so much. I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching. Listen, honey, get into the press-on nails, okay? Because it's the wave. See you guys all in my next video. Bye.